Mastering mind over muscle. Strategies to stay committed to your gym routine. Welcome to Vitality Vibes, where we believe that a strong mind is just as important as a strong body. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals, but we understand that maintaining a regular gym routine can be challenging. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to train your mind and overcome the temptation to skip the gym. From setting smart goals to cultivating a positive mindset, discover how you can stay committed to your fitness journey and reap the rewards of a consistent workout routine. Let's dive into the art of mastering mind over muscle and achieving your fitness aspirations. Set smart goals. Define your fitness objectives. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals is essential for staying motivated and focused on your fitness journey. Define clear and realistic objectives, such as increasing muscle strength, improving cardiovascular endurance, or achieving a specific body composition goal. Having a clear roadmap will give you direction and purpose in your gym workouts. Create a consistent schedule. Treat gym time as non-negotiable. Treat your gym sessions as appointments that cannot be missed. Schedule your workouts at the same time each day or week and prioritize them like any other important commitment in your life. Consistency is key to building a habit, so make it a point to stick to your gym schedule even when you don't feel like going. Find your why. Connect with your motivation. Identify the underlying reasons why you want to prioritize fitness and incorporate gym sessions into your routine. Whether it's to improve your health, boost your confidence, or achieve specific fitness goals, connecting with your intrinsic motivation will fuel your determination to stay consistent with your workouts. Keep your why front and center to stay inspired on your fitness journey. Visualize success. Picture your desired outcome. Visualization is a powerful tool for building mental resilience and staying committed to your gym routine. Take a few moments each day to visualize yourself achieving your fitness goals, whether it's lifting heavier weights, running a faster mile, or sculpting your ideal physique. Visualizing success will reinforce your belief in your ability to reach your goals and keep you motivated during challenging times. Practice self-compassion. Embrace imperfection. It's essential to approach your fitness journey with kindness and self-compassion. Understand that setbacks and obstacles are a natural part of the process, and it's okay to have off days or miss a workout occasionally. Instead of dwelling on perceived failures, focus on progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Cultivating self-compassion will help you maintain a positive attitude and bounce back from setbacks with resilience. Find accountability partners. Share your goals. Having a support system can significantly impact your commitment to your gym routine. Share your fitness goals with friends, family members, or workout buddies who can hold you accountable and provide encouragement along the way. Consider joining group fitness classes or online communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals and share your progress and challenges. Mix up your routine. Keep things interesting. Combat boredom and maintain motivation by varying your workout routine and trying new activities. Experiment with different types of exercises, classes, or outdoor activities to keep things exciting and prevent monotony. Incorporating variety into your gym routine will challenge your body in new ways and keep you engaged and enthusiastic about your workouts. Track your progress. Celebrate your achievements. Keep track of your fitness progress by logging your workouts, recording your measurements, or using fitness tracking apps or devices. Tracking your progress allows you to see how far you've come and provides tangible evidence of your hard work and dedication. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to continue pushing yourself towards your goals. Focus on the benefits. Remind yourself why it matters. When you're feeling tempted to skip the gym, remind yourself of the countless benefits of regular exercise. From improved physical health and mental well-being to increased energy levels and stress relief, exercise offers a multitude of rewards that extend far beyond the gym walls. Keeping the long-term benefits in mind will help you stay committed to your fitness journey, even when motivation wanes. Practice gratitude. Appreciate your body and abilities. Take a moment to express gratitude for your body and its incredible capabilities. Shift your focus from what your body looks like to what it can do and how it makes you feel. Appreciate the strength, resilience, and vitality that exercise provides, and approach your workouts with a sense of gratitude and reverence for the opportunity to move and thrive. As we conclude our exploration of strategies to stay committed to your gym routine, remember that mastering mind over muscle is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and self-compassion. By setting smart goals, creating a consistent schedule, and connecting with your intrinsic motivation, you can overcome the temptation to skip the gym and embrace the transformative power of regular exercise. Share your favorite tips for staying committed to your fitness journey in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from Vitality Vibes. Here's to mastering mind over muscle and achieving your fitness aspirations.